Good morning, class. We are here in Olympiad course, class 1, chapter 1, living and non-living. So let me explain you living and non-living things by sharing my screen. So, living and non-living things. Class 1, my name is Shahida Begum. I am an Olympiad coach, Science Olympiad coach. So, let's dive into the subject. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about what are the living things, what are non-living things, how living and non-living things differ, what are the examples of non-living and living things. So, how do we answer Olympiad thinking questions? So, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to answer Olympiad lessons, questions of living and non-living things. So, what are living things? Living things means which have life. They do many living things. They grow, they move, they reproduce. After that, after some lifetime, they die. So, living things which move, which grow, which breathe, which reproduce are called living things. Like humans, human people, they grow, they move, they breathe, they take food. So, we call them as living things. So, animals also the same. Birds, plants, all these are living things. So, living things, what do they need? What are the characteristics of living things? So, let's learn the characteristics of living things. Living things need food because for growth and development, plants make food, animals eat food. So, to grow into for the growth of a baby, for the growth of an kid or an adult. So each and everyone needs food for the growth and for living a life. So moving on their own. So we living things move on their own, like we walk on our legs. Some birds fly in the sky. That is the movement. Swim. Some fishes they swim in the water. That is also a movement. So plants also show movement by their parts. So living things breathe. How do they take breathe? So we call them as living things because they take a breathe. They breathe. And living things reproduce. So human beings, cats, animals, birds, birds lay eggs, human beings and animals, all these they give birth to young ones. Plants also they reproduce by the help of seeds. So sometimes we respond to stimuli, respond to light, respond to sound, we respond to touch. That is the stimulus. We are responding to the surroundings. So here is an Olympiad tip for you. Here you can get a question. Do plants move? Do plants move? Yes, plants move slowly because they are living things. So look around and give some examples of living things like a dog, We see dog in when we go outside. We see fishes when we go for a places, amusement parks or oceans, seas, lakes, ponds, rivers. There we can see fishes. And butterflies also we can see. Trees also we see. So all these are examples of living things. Here is an activity for you. Activity means a small question. So what are living things? I have an option for you: dog, tree, fish, butterfly. So yes, all are living things. So all living things, tell me one action, one characteristics of living things. Living things, they move, they breathe, they reproduce, they grow. So you have to remember what are living things means, which have life, and living things, they grow, they breathe, they reproduce, they move. So they respond to stimuli. This is about living things. And what are non-living things? Non-living things means which do not have life. Means table, chair, book, pencil. All these are examples of non-living things. They do not grow. They do not breathe. They do not have babies. So they are called non-living things. So non-living things characteristics. What are the characteristics of non-living things? They do not need food. They do not grow. They do not breathe. They cannot move by themselves. And they cannot reproduce. They cannot have babies. So this is about characteristics of living, non-living things. So here you can ask a question. A car can move, but why it is not a living thing? Because it cannot grow, it cannot breathe, it cannot it, take food. So car is a non-living thing. So what are the differences between the living and non-living things? Living things, they grow, they move on their own, they need food and shelter, they breathe. And non-living things, they do not grow, they do not move by themselves, they do not need food and water, and they do not breathe. So living things means which have life, and non-living things means which do not have life. So here is a question for you. Do, are plants living? Yes, plants are living things because they grow, they prepare their own food, they grow big, they prepare by themselves. They prepare their food by themselves. They need water, they need sunlight, and they make their own food. Grass is a living thing because it grows and it needs water. And here there are some tricky questions for you. Some things move, but they are not living. Why? What are those some things? Car moves, but it is not a living thing because it cannot grow, it cannot move, it cannot reproduce. So it is a non-living thing. And toy car, the same. It is a non-living thing. Fan also moves, but it is a non-living thing. So these are the things that moves by the help of a man. So they are called non-living things. They cannot grow, they cannot breathe, they cannot reproduce. So they are non-living things. So think and answer this question. Take the living thing. Sun, cat, ball, spoon. So here there are four options. So you have to take the living thing. Sun, cat, ball, spoon. So which one is the living thing? Yes, you're right. Cat is the living thing. Why? Cat grows, cat breathes, and cat needs food. And which one grows? Stone, tree, or a chair? Yes, your answer is tree. Tree grows. Why? Because tree grows from a small baby plant to a big tree. So which one needs water? Plant, toy, or a table? Which one needs water? Yes, plant needs water because to live and to grow. Dog, cat, cow, car. In this, which one is the non-living thing? Dog is a living thing, cat is a living thing, cow is a living thing, but car is a non-living thing. Did you get the answer? So tell me which one is then living or non-living? Bird, living thing. Rock, non-living thing. Flower, non-living thing. Flower, living or non-living? So flower is a non-living thing, but plant is a living thing. Pencil, non-living thing. Ant, living thing. Bag, non-living thing. So two living things in the class. Tell me two living things that you find in your class. Your friends and a plant. These are the two living things in the classroom and two non-living things that you find in your classroom. So there are so many of non-living things in your classroom like desk, book, chair, board. All these are non-living things. So here is a quick recap. Let's say it together. Living things grow, they move on their own, they need food and water, they breathe. Non-living things, they do not grow, they move, do not move by themselves, they do not need food and water, they do not breathe. So these are non-living things. So here is a homework for you. You should draw two living things and two non-living things and write one difference between living and non-living things. Like a dog grows and a chair does not grow. In this type, in this format, you have to write it down. Okay. Thank you, class, for joining my Olympiad course. And today we have learned about living and non-living things. So here you are now a Olympiad thinkers in living and non-living things. So stay tuned to my course for next lesson.